Hello and welcome to today's video presentation on using Oracle Ksplice's known exploit detection. If you are unfamiliar with Oracle Ksplice, it is a best-in-class utility that provides non-disruptive security patches covering not only the Linux kernel, but also hypervisors and critical Linux user space libraries. When you apply security patches using Ksplice, your applications continue to operate without interruption or the need to reboot the system. Beyond these benefits, the known exploit detection feature further enhances the security of Oracle Linux systems by laying down tripwires for select privilege escalation vulnerabilities whenever using Ksplice to patch a system. These tripwires detect attempts to exploit the fixed vulnerabilities, thus allowing administrators to generate reports and alarms on these future attempts. So for which vulnerabilities does Oracle create these tripwires? Oracle reserves the known exploit detection feature for significant and high-profile vulnerabilities and those that malicious users are likely to try exploiting. Now that we know what Oracle Ksplice's known exploit detection does, let us install and configure it. For this demo, we'll connect to an Oracle Linux instance in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, as Ksplice is freely available for Oracle customers who subscribe to Oracle Linux Premier Support and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure services. From the terminal, install the Ksplice known exploit detection package. DNF will resolve any dependencies required for the package and then complete the package installation. Next, open a Ksplice configuration file with your favorite editor. Add these lines at the file's end to enable the known exploit detection feature. Review your edits and then save and close the file. Lastly, activate the feature by upgrading the kernel with the Ksplice kernel upgrade command. When prompted, type Y to proceed and monitor the installation until it's complete. Notice the output lines that indicate installing the known exploit detection feature and the associated tripwires. Once installed, you can check the following kernel parameter to verify the feature is active. Run cat/proc/sys/kernel/known_exploit_detection, and the result should return a value of 1. With the feature enabled, any breach attempt for a vulnerability for which a tripwire exists gets logged to notify administrators. Use the dmessage pipe tail command to view the kernel ring buffer Ksplice log messages. These logs show messages related to Ksplice patches successfully applied. Use the journalctl pipe tail command for messages specific to the triggered tripwires. These triggers recorded within journalctl display a log known exploit message containing the attempted breach's PID, UID, command, and CVE. As Oracle Ksplice continues to grow and close down vulnerabilities with zero downtime, known exploit detection provides another way to secure your system and get notified when attempts at privilege escalation attacks occur. Thank you for watching this video.